Submitting written evidence to a select committee inquiry is a great way for academics to contribute to policy debates. Before you start writing, make sure you have read the committee's call for evidence. This will help you to understand the background to the inquiry, and it will set out a list of questions for you to respond to. You can answer whichever questions are most relevant to your work. Don't feel you need to answer them all. How to format your response. Title. Introduction. Executive summary. Main body of the response. Summary and recommendations. Start by giving your paper a title like this. Written evidence submitted by Dr. Smith, University of Birmingham. Use the introduction to write a few sentences about yourself and your reasons for submitting evidence. The executive summary should be about 3 to 4 bullet points long. Next comes the main body of the response, which is where you answer the questions listed in the call for evidence. You should number your paragraphs and use subheadings to make it clear which questions you are responding to. Include any recommendations you have for the government or other bodies that you want the committee to consider. Finally, your last paragraph should summarise your main points and set out any solutions you have to offer in bullet points. General tips. Keep it concise and factual. Use open access references that can be viewed online. Stay under 3,000 words. Keep your document free of logos and images. Remember, you are writing for an intelligent but non-specialist audience. Finally, save your response as a Word document and make sure you send it to the committee before the closing deadline. If you can submit it earlier, even better. For more advice and guidance, contact the Public Affairs team at publicaffairs@contacts.bham.ac.uk or birmingham.ac.uk/publicaffairs.